What's up? Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Axial SCX24 Deadbolt. Which is basically, it's like the big Deadbolt, except tiny. But it's still really capable. Like, this thing is insane. I've already crawled with it. I had been looking at crawlers for a while. I wanted to get into rock crawling. This is my first one. I thought micros were a good idea, and when I saw the promo video Axial made, I'll maybe put a link to that in the description if I remember to. I was just amazed. Like, this thing can climb like a mountain goat. Like, not with me driving it, because I suck at rock crawling. I'm a total noob. But it supposedly can. Now, I have already made it some scale accessories, because I couldn't wait. But I have not done any performance mods, so this should be the actual stock out-of-the-box performance. Now, here, this little chain, this is supposed to be like a tow rope thing. I've got like a hook here. The idea is that it can this is like a winch sort of, I guess. And I also stuck this thing on the bumper. On the back I've got this thing. It's supposed to be a little tent thing. And the camera makes the color look a lot oranger than it is. It's actually really a quite vibrant, bright red. I glued this shovel on just with hot glue. If there's a better type of glue that I'm supposed to be using for scalers and modeling, feel free to let me know. Like I said, I'm a complete noob, but I love this thing anyway. It came with these stickers on it, and also this sticker here. I think I'm actually gonna buy the scale accessories for the barrage utility vehicle, which will come with some door handles and mirrors too, like 3D ones, and put those on. So looks wise, it just looks a lot like a big Deadbolt. I don't have that. I don't have the big one, although, yeah, if you have the big one, then this will be probably just add on to its awesomeness, which it's already pretty awesome without the big Deadbolt contributing to it. It's got working lights on the bumper. These are just a sticker. These also just have stickers. They're not hollow in the back, so you can't actually put LEDs in here, but you could probably drill out the headlights and also the tail lights. I think I'm actually gonna get LEDs for those. Now, underneath these body clips, it's got two body clips. These ones, see how they have like this thing on them? Make it easier to grab is the idea. Got two of these with these little dangly things on them. The body actually just hinges up like this. Oh, it also, now inside of it, it also comes in a green like that on the box. The green is a little more mellow. The red is a little more vibrant. It really just depends on what mood you want this crawler's looks to give off. Like, it's sort of, each color really has its own personality to it. Now, it says it has worm gears. Someone tell me what a worm gear is, because I have no clue. Like I said, I'm a complete noob, so if anyone's actually watching this video in the comments section, please tell me what a worm gear is. It also has it has steel C-channel frame chassis. Like not the whole thing, but like this part of the chassis is steel. This is plastic, this part's steel. So yeah, C-channel frame, whatever that means. It's got multi-link suspension. So from front to back, you've got this little servo, which I'll demonstrate in a minute. It's really fast, actually. You've got this. This is an ESC and a receiver box, and 2-in-1. Your little motor, and it comes with a LiPo battery, which seems to last a pretty long time. Like, the run times seem pretty good. I actually figured out that I can do a wide track mod, which I'm gonna do later. Which is actually why I decided to just get this review done now. Like, usually I'd like to take some time to get to know a rock crawler and sort of know how it is before I review it. Or actually, no, not just a rock crawler. I mean, any car I do that with. And I haven't had any rock crawlers before this, so yeah. Anyway, but I just figured out a wide track mod, and yeah. Don't want to wait much longer, so I was going to get the review over with now. So these tires are really squishy, no foam inserts, but I don't see why you should have them. Honestly, I think if I had a big rock crawler, I might just run it without foam inserts, just so that the tire will deform more and squish to, like, absorb the shape of a rock or bump or something. It often looks a lot oranger than it actually is, and just because the camera makes it look oranger, I don't know why. So, it's hard to put on the body clips with just one hand, but I got it. Yeah, and when I took this and drove it around, I was quite impressed. This thing is quite the performer. Also, it has super bright LEDs. You can barely see them on here because they're it's the sunlight, so you can't see them very well. But at nighttime, this thing just lights up the night. Let's get my nice scale toe hook. Ready? Now here's the servo speed. Like, look at this. Like, it can go faster than this, but I have to drive one-handedly because I'm filming. This thing really can totally keep up with your thumb. Anyway, let's take it in this little place and see how it does out crawling. Now, it does have kind of a high center of gravity, so it rolls over a lot more. Flipped over. I'm gonna cheat and just skip that obstacle. So yeah, pretty capable little machine. I'm gonna pick it up now, and I'm gonna turn off the camera and take you to I'm gonna turn you off and take you to a different spot to rock crawl. Okay? Put you back on in a bit. Okay, now here, these rocks are a spot that's actually been kind of challenging for me a little bit. I've been trying to figure out how I can crawl over them. Like, not directly here. Something's caught in it. Stupid plant. But, like, here, been trying to get over all this. Now, the ESC / receiver 2-in-1 combo, which it has in there, like little box, it actually has another LED slot, so I actually think I'm gonna put a little light kit on it. Get the full headlights working too. Now the controller has something really nice. It's got this high, low, medium. It also has a channel 3, which I don't know what... I don't have any channel 3 on it right now, though. So I'm going to try putting it on low. And then see if I can crawl over this. Oh man, look at that. I don't want to fall off the edge. Let's go somewhere else. Now my yard is quite treacherous, and it's kind of fun just to see how far you can make your way up and how much, basically how little help you can give it. I'm gonna put it on high right now. One-handed driving, because I'm filming with the other. So, while I'm crawling, let me talk about the controller a little bit. This controller right here, it looks pretty nice, and it feels, honestly, it feels super nice. It's actually one of my favorite ones, actually. Let me just angle you back here. Like, super comfortable. Got this really nice wheel. Gonna put it on low and see if I can do that then. Crawl up it. Low just doesn't have quite enough power for medium. Alright, I give up on going. Let's try just getting on high. Just put it on the high throttle setting and just gun it. Gun it, gun it, gun it. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. You can do it. And this plant might get in the way, but... You can do it, you can do it. Or you can just flip over. That works too, I guess. Roll over. Let's try a different line. Maybe if I go like this way, I can take it off this cord. I don't know why there's like a cable, an electrical cable in our yard. There just is. Try it from here. Get another camera angle. Try to get up the hill. Come on, you can do it. Here the thing makes, here the lights look super bright because it's a little darker. Oh. I already scratched the body up a bunch on my, on the driveway. Our driveway is ridiculously steep. And, there's like some stone steps next to it. So, beside our driveway, there's these stone steps, and I had been trying to crawl up them. They're like very treacherous steps. Like, no one really uses them for walking because they're so bad. But yes, uprighted itself. Let's just carry it up this part, up to here, give it a little help. Let's try the low setting, see if that makes any difference. Oh yeah. Slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the crawler comp. I've never been to a crawler comp. Like I said, I'm an absolute noob. Hey, man, seriously? Now come back here, come back here. Let's just put it back where it was, about like right here. See how it does. Ow, my back hurts from filming this thing this whole time. But man, it sure is a good looking crawler. Alright. Maybe let's try a... So it really depends on what you're on, I learned. Like, sometimes you want a slow and steady approach, and other times slow and steady doesn't work, and you really just need to power through. Whoa, this is difficult. Pretty tactical. Pretty difficult. Look how steep that is. I'm holding the camera level now. That is super steep. Yeah. This thing is insane. So yeah, super nice little scale trail truck. Kind of bouncy, a little top heavy, but still pretty good. The controller feels super comfortable, like I already said. It's got this foam wheel. Really nice. Good looking too. Now, everything you need is included. Batteries, charger, even a battery for the controller, which takes AA. So, yeah. Which is good, because we're currently out of AA's. So, and we haven't bought more yet. And, yeah. So, good thing the controller came with AA's, because otherwise I wouldn't have been able to drive this. So, I guess that about wraps it up for this video. Later I'm actually right now, just about now, which is, I'm going to be doing some mods. That's why I decided to do a video, because I wanted to review it while it's stock. I would definitely recommend this product. Give it a thumbs up, and bye.